In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Microsoft Word document into a PDF file, a process that is both simple and incredibly useful, whether you're working on a Windows or Mac computer. This conversion can make your documents easier to share with others, ensuring that your formatting remains intact and that anyone can view them, regardless of the software they have available. Let's start with the process for Windows users, which applies to recent versions of the operating system. First things first, open the document you wish to convert in Microsoft Word. Once you have your document opened, you'll want to navigate to the top left of the screen where you'll find the File menu. Give that a click. In most versions of Word, you'll see an option labeled as Save As, though some versions might show this as Save a Copy instead. Either option will work for our purposes today, so go ahead and select whichever one appears on your screen. Now that you're looking at the Save As or Save a Copy window, you'll need to decide where you want to save your newly created PDF. This step is crucial because you'll want to be able to locate it easily later on. Feel free to choose an existing folder or create a new one specifically for PDFs. It's entirely up to you. With your location selected, the next step is to tell Word that you want to save the file as a PDF. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Save as Type. This is where all your file format options are listed. From the drop-down menu, you'll need to select PDF, which might be displayed as PDF. .pdf. This tells the program to generate a PDF file from your document. There's also an important option you can take advantage of at this point. You'll notice a button called Options. If you click on this, it'll open a new window that gives you more control over the PDF conversion. Here, you can choose settings like page range. Maybe you only want a portion of your document saved, or perhaps you want to include or exclude any comments or markup. You can also adjust various output settings to suit the specific needs of your PDF. Once you've customized these settings to your liking, go ahead and click OK and return to the Save As screen. Now, you're ready to complete the conversion. Simply click the Save button and Word will start generating your PDF file. In some versions, this button might say Publish or Export instead, but the action remains the same. This will create a PDF version of your document and place it in the folder you selected earlier. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to convert your Word documents into PDF files on a Windows computer, ensuring your files are both secure and professionally formatted for all your future needs.